The 500W portable power station, equipped with a 519.48 Wh capacity, is designed to serve as a reliable solar generator and backup battery for various situations. This power station presents an intriguing option for those seeking portable energy solutions, whether for outdoor activities, emergency preparedness, or simple home backup. At first glance, the power station features a compact and durable design, making it relatively easy to transport. Weighing in at a manageable size, it is not overly burdensome to carry, which can be particularly beneficial for users planning to take it on camping trips or outdoor adventures. The rugged exterior suggests that it is built to withstand the elements, enhancing its appeal for outdoor applications. One of the standout features of this power station is its versatility in output options. It is equipped with multiple ports, including AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC car port. This array of options allows users to charge or power a variety of devices simultaneously, from smartphones and laptops to small appliances. The 500W output capacity is sufficient for many common electronics, making it a practical choice for those in need of temporary power. Moreover, the inclusion of solar charging capability is a noteworthy aspect of this product. Users can recharge the power station using solar panels, which can be an attractive feature for those seeking sustainable energy solutions. This functionality underscores its potential for outdoor use and makes it a valuable tool for keeping devices powered during extended trips away from traditional power sources. Using the 500W portable power station is generally straightforward. The device features an LCD display that provides essential information, such as battery level and output usage, which can help users monitor their energy consumption effectively. Additionally, the setup process is not overly complicated, allowing users to begin utilizing the power station with relative ease. In conclusion, the 500W portable power station with 519.48 Wh capacity presents a practical solution for individuals in need of portable and reliable power. Its combination of multiple output options, solar charging capabilities, and user-friendly design suits various applications, from outdoor adventures to home backup situations. While it is important to consider specific power needs and usage scenarios beforehand, this power station can serve as an adaptable and resourceful addition to one's energy toolkit.